Hello everyone, my name is Daria. One of the most popular videos on my channel are the videos about boys and girls names in Russia, and I've decided to make an updated version for the Russian names because in that time some names a little bit changed, and also I'm gonna show you unusual names for the babies in Russia. Let's start with the top 10 names for girls. The first one is Sophia, Sophia, Sofia, Sofia. The short form Sonia, Sofa. For the one name in Russia we have lots other names. It's like short forms of the basic name. In the case of Sophia, it can be Sonia, Sofa, Sofiushka, Sofushka, and etc. There are a lot of names for the one name. Anna, Anna, short form Anya, Anya. And also the variety of other options like Anichka, Annushka, Annette. If you want to see the whole list for the one name, just type it in the browser and search for many other options for the only one name. Maria, Maria. The most common short form is Masha, Masha. Yeva, Yeva. The short form for Yeva is Yeva, but when you address to Yeva, you may say Yev, could you pass me something? You don't say Yeva, you may say Yev. And the same with Anna, Ань, Maria, Mash. Not Masha, Mash. It's like when you address a person. It's like Mash, ты как? Ань, ты как? Yev, ты как? We often do that when we speak to each other. We just make the names shorter. Victoria, Victoria, Vika, Vika. Polina, Polina, Pola. The short form is Pola. Varvara, Varvara. The short form is Varya, Varya. Alisa, Alisa. The short forms could be Aля, Ася, and many others. Vasilisa, Vasilisa. The short form is Vasya, Vasya. By the way, Vasya is also a name for a man, like Vasily, and here Vasilisa, Vasilisa. And for me, association with the name Vasilisa is a friend's cat, because they called her cat Vasilisa. And the last one, Alexandra, Alexandra, Alexandra. The short form is Sasha, Sasha. Personally, my favorite names from this list are Yeva and Alexandra. What is your favorite name from this list? And let's talk about the boys' names. The first one is Mikhail, Mikhail, Misha, Alexander, Alexander, Sasha, Alexandra, girl's name, Alexander, boy's name. And the short form for them, Sasha, Sasha, Maxim, Maxim, Max, Max, Mark, Mark, Артём, Артём, Тёма, Lev, Lev. Lev is like lion in English. Lev. The short form also Lev, Lev. Матвей, Матвей. What the short form for Матвей? Motya. I don't know the short form for Matvey because I don't like Matya and Motya. For me, Matya and Motya are not people's names, so just forget about it. The only full version, Matvey, Matvey, Иван, Иван, Ваня, Ваня, Дмитрий, Дмитрий, Дима, Тимофей, Тимофей. The short form is Tima, Timo. If you talk about my personal opinion, my favorite names are Mark and Alexandr. Like white boys' names, do you like? And some unusual names for the babies, for boys and girls. And for boys, the most unordinary names are Ural, Agat, Lev Август, Феодосий, Троян, and the double name Lavr Cosmos. Lavr Cosmos. And for the girls, Musa, it's like muse. Zabava, Zabava in English like fun. Zabava. Flora, like flora and fauna, and here's Flora. Flora. Tiffany. Tiffany, it's definitely not the popular name in Russia, and it's an ordinary name, and someone just like the jewelers, because the next person named their child as Brilliant. Brilliant diamond. I think in this family there are two kids. The first one is Tiffany, and the second one is Brilliant diamond. Giulietta. 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 And also Astra, Lilia, Rosa, Lavanda. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Rate your favorite names from this list for boys and girls. Some of the names are popular each year, and some names are new, and they are not Russian, but people named their kids with these names. Thank you for watching, and bye.